Crash course on American fashion and its influence on global fashion trends. American fashion has had a significant influence on global fashion trends for over a century. From Hollywood glamour to streetwear, American designers have created iconic styles that have been embraced around the world. In the early 20th century, Hollywood played a major role in promoting American fashion. Movie stars like Marilyn Monroe, Audrey Hepburn, and Grace Kelly became style icons, and designers like Christian Dior and Coco Chanel drew inspiration from American glamour. In the 1960s, American youth culture sparked a revolution in fashion with the rise of the hippie movement and the emergence of streetwear. Brands like Levi's, Converse, and Nike became synonymous with American youth style and rebellion. In the 1980s and 1990s, American designers like Ralph Lauren, Calvin Klein, and Tommy Hilfiger became global fashion icons, creating preppy, sporty styles that were embraced around the world. The rise of hip-hop culture in the 1990s also had a major influence on fashion, with brands like FUBU and Sean John becoming synonymous with urban style. In recent years, American fashion has continued to evolve and influence global fashion trends. Streetwear and athleisure styles have become increasingly popular, with brands like Supreme and Off-White leading the way. American designers like Virgil Abloh, Marc Jacobs, and Alexander Wang have gained global recognition for their innovative designs. However, American fashion has also faced criticism for its lack of diversity and sustainability. The industry has been slow to embrace diverse models and designers, and has been criticized for its environmental impact. Despite these challenges, American fashion continues to inspire and influence global fashion trends. From classic Hollywood glamour to edgy streetwear, American designers have created styles that have become iconic around the world. Here are 20 American fashion masterpieces that have had a significant influence on global fashion trends. 1. Levi's 501 jeans. Levi's jeans are an iconic American fashion staple that have been popular around the world for over a century. 2. Ralph Lauren polo shirt. This classic preppy shirt has become a symbol of American style. 3. Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star sneakers. These classic canvas sneakers have been a part of American youth culture since the 1950s. 4. Tommy Hilfiger flag sweater. This red, white, and blue sweater has become a symbol of American fashion. 5. Calvin Klein underwear. Calvin Klein's minimalist, sexy underwear designs revolutionized the fashion industry. 6. Ray-Ban Wayfarer sunglasses. These classic sunglasses have been a popular accessory since the 1950s. 7. Michael Jordan's Air Jordans. These iconic sneakers have been popular since their debut in the 1980s. 8. Diane von Furstenberg wrap dress. This simple, elegant dress has been a staple of American fashion since the 1970s. 9. Vans slip-on sneakers. These canvas sneakers have been popular with skaters and youth culture since the 1970s. 10. Champion sweatshirt. Champion's classic sweatshirts have become a symbol of American sportswear. 11. Frye boots. These leather boots have been popular since their debut in the 1860s. 12. Coach purse. Coach's classic leather purses have been popular since the 1960s. 13. Nantucket Reds pants. These bright red pants have been a preppy American fashion staple since the 1940s. 14. Gap khakis. Gap's classic khaki pants have been popular since the 1990s. 15. Stetson cowboy hat. This classic cowboy hat has been an American fashion staple for over a century. 16. Diane Keaton's Annie Hall look. Diane Keaton's menswear-inspired look in the 1977 film Annie Hall has had a lasting influence on American fashion. 17. Doc Martens boots. These British boots gained popularity in the United States in the 1990s. 18. Kate Spade handbags. Kate Spade's colorful, feminine handbags have been popular since the 1990s. 19. Supreme streetwear. This New York-based brand has become a symbol of American streetwear culture. 20. Marc Jacobs grunge collection. Marc Jacobs' 1993 grunge collection for Perry Ellis helped bring a new, edgy style to American fashion. Here is a poem on American fashion and its influence on global fashion trends. Fashion in America, a true reflection of our culture, diverse and full of perfection. From jeans to sneakers, we've got it all. Our styles have become a worldwide call. Levi's 501, the ultimate classic. With its straight leg cut, it's fantastic. And Ray-Ban Wayfarers, a timeless piece. It's no surprise their popularity will never cease. Tommy Hilfiger's flag sweater, red, white and blue. A true symbol of America, a style that's true. While Diane von Furstenberg's wrap dress gave women confidence, and nothing less. Coach purses and Kate Spade bags gave women style and made them glad. And who can forget Calvin Klein's underwear? Sleek and sexy, it's beyond compare. Michael Jordan's Air Jordans, a basketball shoe. A style that's hip and popular, it's nothing new. And Supreme Streetwear, a brand so cool. It's no wonder it's become a fashion rule. America's fashion, a true reflection of our history, our people, and our affection. From cowboy hats to grunge collections, our styles have become a worldwide obsession. Asterisk asterisk asterisk. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences America has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to North America, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you, Anhub Metaverse team.